let's explore what this question might be asking us to understand. When we encounter something unclear like this, it's an opportunity to think about how we approach problems and questions. Let's think about what makes a question clear and answerable. A good question should have a clear intent and purpose that guides us toward understanding. The best questions provide context and specific details that help us know what's being asked. A well-formed question has three key components: a clear topic, specific focus, and a defined goal for what we want to learn. Even with unclear questions, we can apply problem-solving strategies. First, we identify what information we actually have available to work with. Second, we determine what information we need to discover or understand. Third, we break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts. This diagram shows how we can break down a complex problem into smaller, more manageable subproblems that are easier to solve. Clarity in communication is essential for effective learning and problem solving. Clear communication creates a smooth flow from input through processing to output, ensuring everyone understands what's being asked and answered. When we encounter unclear questions, it's perfectly fine and important to ask for clarification. Asking for clarity benefits everyone involved by ensuring we're all working toward the same understanding. Sometimes we need to work with incomplete or ambiguous information. Ambiguous input can lead to multiple possible interpretations, which is why clarity is so important in communication. Even with ambiguity, we can use context clues and surrounding information to narrow down the possibilities. We can make reasonable assumptions based on available information, and then test whether those assumptions lead to sensible results. Every question, even unclear ones, teaches us something valuable about learning and communication. Learning is a continuous process that radiates outward in all directions as we explore new ideas and concepts. Questions are the starting point for exploration and discovery of new ideas and concepts. When we communicate clearly, we make the learning process more efficient for everyone involved. Every challenge we face, including unclear questions, is an opportunity to develop our problem-solving skills and grow as learners. Let's summarize what we've learned about questions and problem-solving. Good questions have three key qualities. They're clear, specific, and have a defined purpose. When facing complex problems, we can break them down into smaller, more manageable parts. Clear communication creates better understanding and more efficient learning for all involved. Remember that asking for clarification when something is unclear is actually a sign of good, critical thinking.